In the realm of corporate governance, the power of data-driven decision-making is undeniable. But how can leaders effectively use data to steer their organizations towards success? The key lies in understanding the art and science of data utilization, transforming raw numbers into strategic insights. It's about asking the right questions, interpreting trends, and foreseeing opportunities and challenges. Data empowers leaders to make informed, objective, and timely decisions, enhancing governance and driving growth. At the Corporate Governance Institute, we guide you through the nuances of data-driven governance. Explore our guide on using data to make better decisions. Equip yourself with the tools to lead with clarity and foresight. The Corporate Governance Institute, empowering leaders with data intelligence.